Okay, so we have a fresh Firefox installation, and I will make some basic settings. I will not explain each setting what I will do, because I have my previous Firefox installation on my current device, and I want to make same settings on a remote device, on my new device. So let's start. Yeah. So we need, first of all, we need to get to customize the toolbar, and account will stay here. Some controls. Developer. Make sure it's always visible. I have had previously the search bar here, and remove empty spaces. Also, I need to add history, and that's all. From here, make sure you have always show bookmarks toolbar, set densities in it, smaller, bigger. Okay, done. Here I will remove this, and go to settings. Save download, ask file. As you can see, for example, in my default browser or current system, I have an options, more options from this current browser, but it's not a big deal to uncheck some things that you don't need. Just don't do it if you're not sure about this option, because it causes websites to break. So if you're new or you don't know what cookie means, so just disable it completely. nothing about addresses. Okay, so now I will log in. I will not log in. I will make advanced customization. Before I will log in into my account on Mozilla. It's already. Now it will start to install extensions, and it syncs these settings, what I had do just now, it syncs with an account. It does not sync these settings, advanced settings, but it syncs these basic settings with an account. So maybe after browser reload I can see new options or something, and I will configure my extensions. Okay, that's all. One more thing about custom DNS resolver for the Firefox. In my country, there's some issues with Firefox, not Firefox, but with the Cloudflare resolver. In some cases, it depends of Cloudflare website configuration. So, for example, if I enable it here and choose Cloudflare and try to, oh, it works, now it works, previously it didn't work. I guess they fixed it. Okay, so I can enable it by default and use Cloudflare DNS resolver. Because previously my site didn't load, not only my site but a lot of the websites didn't load because of some issues on providers levels when they blocked websites in with some specific configurations. So now it's fine and I can use my Cloudflare resolver. Now let's check it again. Oh, so there's this problem. it will don't load because in my country there is some limitations. Hide with the Cloudflare. Strange. Sometimes works, sometimes not. Okay, it works fine. Okay, let's try this website. This website didn't load. I guess it's because of DNS cache in my system, so if I disable this option, and try to access, so now it loads. And now it loads, but it's better to disable it. In my case, in my specific case, but if it's fine for you, so you can use Cloudflare or any, for example, custom. Let's try with custom. Nope. Better to off it.